for so long you've been holding off on doing the things that you really want to do and repeating the same old cycle that never really gets you anywhere in life. And by clicking on this video, I believe that you are at a place where you can either choose to stay the same way you have been, repeating the same old cycle that never really gets you anywhere, staying stagnant and eventually feeling miserable about your life, or you can decide to take control and make the right changes that will eventually improve and change your life. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful actionable tips that will help you change the way you move with your life and make this year your best year yet. If you want some real tips to actually become a better version of yourself and to become that version of you that's getting her life together, then I encourage you to keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious Oge. Please consider sticking around by subscribing to the channel. The first tip is to develop and align your life with your core values. Your core values are the fundamental beliefs and principles that guide your actions, your behavior, and your decisions. They serve as your moral compass, helping you stay aligned with your purpose, your priority, and your long-term goals. Figuring out your core value is very important because it guides you to know what your priorities and long-term goals are. That way you know what you want in life and what things to prioritize. Let me give an instance. On one hand, you could say, I want to become a YouTuber or a content creator because every other person is doing it, or because you like the fame and attention that comes with it. While on the other hand, you could say being creative and educating is a core value of mine, and I would love to be able to share my creativity to the world and educate people. When being creative and educating is a core value of yours, it will be a no-brainer to prioritize it and stay consistent at it. But if it's something you're doing because other people are doing it, or there's just this one particular thing that you want to get from inside that you don't even value, then you'll find it difficult to prioritize that thing in your life and actually staying consistent to it. Soon you'll find yourself giving up because you have no passion or value for it. So when you make something of value, you prioritize that thing in your life and it becomes a part of your identity versus a one-off goal that you just want to accomplish. So by figuring out your core value or things that you want to be a part of your identity, you make it easier for you to plan and take action for things that actually matter to you. The second tip is to create a list of clear, actionable plans. This is a list of important and physically possible things that you can do and take action right now that will get you the results you're looking for. Break your big goals into smaller, manageable steps or plans that you can actually do that will lead you to the results you want. For instance, if being a YouTuber is your goal and you have no video out there, then you're wasting your time. Your first couple of videos are not going to be your best. So stop waiting for that perfect, mind-blowing idea that is going to break the internet, or stop making excuses that you don't have a camera so you can't start filming. You can start filming with your phone. If you don't have the lights that you require, you can start filming with your natural lights, and you can find any plain nice looking background you have in your house or in your environment and film with that. Just start. If it's vlogging you want to do, fine and good, get into vlogging. If it's educative content you want to do, find something that you're really good at or something that you are passionate about that you can speak on and begin to make videos of that. Create scripts that you can actually do like right now. Do the research you need, make the script for the video that you want to film and start filming. Something you can do now, something that is within your power, something that is within your capacity that you can actually take action for immediately. It doesn't matter if you get views immediately or not. The most important thing is to be able to take action and keep on going. Because if you're waiting till you have a lot of people, or you've told a lot of people that you're going to start a YouTube channel, and 5 months in you haven't even dropped any video, that is 5 months wasted. But if you start now and start posting, in 5 months time you would have gotten a number of subscribers and a number of views that will keep you going. This applies to all aspects of life. So what is the most important and physically possible thing that you can do right now, that when you do this thing you would say, I am more aligned, or I'm one step closer to the goal I'm trying to achieve? No more excuses this time around. You can't call yourself a content creator if you don't have a video out there, and you can't call yourself a healthy person if you don't have a workout routine and schedule, or you don't incorporate healthy meals in your diets. The third tip is to do a progress check-in or a growth assessment. A progress check-in or growth assessment is basically a periodic meeting you have with yourself to assess your growth and how you've been doing so far with the plans that you have set and the actions that you have been taking over the week or over the month. So this assessment can either be done weekly, monthly, or quarterly. You can do them weekly to check if you were able to do the things you said you were going to do for every day of the week. For instance, if you say you want to post videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays, you will have to check every week to see if you are actually keeping up to posting those videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. The aim of this assessment is to reflect on your goals for the previous week or month and to see what things you were able to do and what things you didn't accomplish. This will also help you to make adjustments where necessary, see routines that fit your schedule, change dates or change days, and then be able to make adjustments as you go. Things won't go as planned, and that's okay. The key is to adapt and not to quit. If something doesn't go as planned, tweak your approach instead of quitting completely. Progress isn't about perfection, it's about consistency, consistently doing the right things. The fourth tip on the list is to aim for improvement and not perfection. For most of us, the perfectionism syndrome has kept us from actually taking action and making progress. You have to remember that perfection isn't the goal, progress is. Place your focus on making continuous improvement instead of trying to make everything perfect or everything right. Instead of trying to figure out everything, every little detail, every step, just know what the first thing is and get it done. Done is better than perfect. A 90% finished project in the world is better than a 100% perfect one that nobody sees. I would like to remind you that every expert started as a beginner and they began to improve by actually taking action and making progress over time. So stop wasting time and waiting for that perfect idea. If you have something, just put it out there. If you want to do something, just start working towards it, start doing it, put it out there, get it done, and then you begin to take feedback and refine your process and refine your steps and refine your actions, and then you begin to improve over the weeks, over the months, and over the years, and you get better, and eventually you become an expert as well. If you would like me to share a video on how to overcome perfectionism, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to film that video for you guys. The fifth thing is to focus on discipline and changing your daily habits. Why is it that when it comes to doing things for other people or doing things where someone else is holding us accountable, we show up and we stay committed to getting that thing done, but when it comes to ourselves, we always come up with excuses? Take for instance a job. If you have a 9 to 5 or you have a job to do for somebody else, because you know that somebody else is holding you accountable, you need to wake up at a certain time to get to work. You need to finish a particular project within a specific time before you submit it to your boss. You always make sure to get that thing done, regardless of the deadline, regardless of how uncomfortable it is for you, regardless of how unhappy you are with doing that thing. But when it comes to keeping to a commitment that you set for yourself, like accomplishing a goal, starting up a business, waking up at a certain time, hitting the gym in the morning or in the evenings, we always try to make up an excuse to not keep to that commitment, and then we'll find a way to justify it. Oh, I was tired. Oh, I'm stressed out and I deserve the rest. Oh, I can always do it another day. It's something I have to do for myself, so I can always push it to in the evening, or I can always push it to the next day. Why do we always break commitments to ourselves but we never break commitments to other people? Don't your goals deserve to be accomplished too? You have to do what is required, not what you feel like. Not only for other people, but especially for yourself. Let's be real, your year and your life won't change if your daily habits remain the same. If you keep on doing the same old thing that you were doing before that never got you anywhere or that never gave you any results, if you don't change those habits today, then you would not see changes in your year. You will not see changes in your life. You will not see improvements in your life. The secret to success is tiny, consistent daily habits. Small actions lead to big results. So staying disciplined at keeping the commitments you've set for yourself is very important. If you struggle at being disciplined, go watch my video on discipline. It will help you a lot. The last but definitely not limited to these 6 is to get some form of mentorship or inspiration for your goals. If you can afford to get a mentor who has excelled at the things that you want to achieve or the goals that you want to achieve, then fine and good. But if you can't afford a mentor, social media is your best bet. Finding people or someone that inspires you or has achieved the things that you want makes it easy. All you need to do is find them and follow them on social media and begin to take notes of the things that they're doing. Begin to take notes of how they make their moves. Find someone who teaches you or shows you the things you want to learn or how to accomplish the goals you're working towards. Follow them and learn from them. Always surround yourself with inspiration. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow people on social media who actually inspire and motivate you. And there you have it, powerful, practical ways to make this year your best year yet and improve your life. I hope you got value for your time, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If there's anything you want to share, whatever it is that you want to change or are doing differently this year, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear it. I want to hear from you. What tip was your favorite number, and which would you be actually implementing? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video, and most importantly, like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.